Hey everyone, my name is Dallin Einach, and I'll be going over my ad campaign that I created. I chose to go with the Ariat brand because that's one of my favorite brands, so I thought it would be a good idea to go with. So here's my very first page, and this is the original ad here that I chose. I really like how the man in the front contrasts against this dark background. I feel like it adds a sense of seriousness to the ad. Makes it feel a bit like tough. I mean, you have this guy, and he's the forefront of the ad, and the dark theme in the background. They also used a slab serif font to go along with this serious tone, um, and it's in bold, so that's really nice. Adds a tough feel to the already tough feel that it has from the background and the colors here. And this right here is the colors going over the dark background here and how that adds to the serious theme. And then we'll go down to my new ad here. And this is my new ad. So I have the same type of cowboy here against a dark background. He's really light here in the foreground. The font that I used was Rockwell. It's a slab serif font as well, and it matches almost identically to this original ad here, if not exactly. And then I also use the overlapping text here because in the original ad, if you see, it overlaps his body. I just wanted to create some consistency there by overlapping his hat a little bit. And then just like the original, it's all caps, bold. It's really in your face, so adds a nice consistency with the original ad. So there's a little detail that I added here. He has a matching hat style. There's a lot of different cowboy hats. I noticed that the original ad he had this flat part here, the high sides. So I wanted to find something that was pretty similar. He has the flat style here, which I think looks nice. And then right here it's just going over the all caps and slab serif font that I used. Let's see. And then at the end here, I just have the logo, which I think it's a good conclusion to the ad. And one thing I didn't go over was in the background, I thought it would be really nice to use leather background. Thought it went well with the cowboy theme. It's just a little something extra I wanted to add to get rid of that white space, so thought that went well. But otherwise, yeah, I think I was really able to match the original ad, just with the clothing, the lighting, the contrast, the typography, everything I feel matches really well. And that is about it. Thank you for watching.